Hello guys. So in this video, I'm going to test a triple super trend strategy with Heiken Ashi. Okay, so first you need Heiken Ashi, just default Heiken Ashi, and then you need three super trend. So I'll give you the link down below for this indicator for MT4. For TradingView, you already have this. So this is a setting 12, 3, okay, 11, 2, and 10, 1. Okay, so that's the settings, and you need Heiken Ashi. So okay, so for sell, basically you wait for all the three super trend to be red, yeah, and then red, 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 and then you wait for the candle to be white, and then for it to be red again. Okay, so between here and here, okay, red, white, red, between here and here, all the three super trend has to be red as well. Okay, so basically you enter here after it change to red from white. All right, so it's a continuation type trade, and then basically we open another chart without the Heiken Ashi, because Heiken Ashi we cannot see the closing price. So this is our entry candle, yeah. So you just target, okay. So you use this as your stop loss, the middle super trend as your stop loss. Okay, so this is your stop loss, just a few pips above that, maybe 34, maybe. And you target 1-to-1. You can target 2-to-1 if you want. So you can use ATR as well as your stop loss, but I'm trying to experiment with new stuff. So use this as your stop loss, okay? So maybe 33. So you sell, okay? Okay, we got that, and it's green again, okay? Okay, so this is the signal. Okay, all super trend red, and the candle red, white, and red again. Okay, between this period, all super trend has to be red between this period. Okay, so this is your entry candle. Okay, so this candle doesn't happen yet. Okay, just ignore it. Okay, so this one, so it's a signal. So you enter 1-to-1. Okay, use this as your stop loss, so slightly above that. You enter. Okay. Okay, so here you have another signal. Okay, so red, white, red, but I'm not taking this because I only take the first time that this happened. Okay, so you have to wait for the super trend to be green again to reset. Okay, so I'm not going to take this. I'm only take the first time that this thing happened. Okay, so you have to wait for it to reset. Okay, so it's considered a reset now because it's green. Okay. All right, so signal here, red, white, white, red. So between this period, all the super trend has to be red. Okay, so for buy, it's a vice versa. Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, so you enter here, okay, 26. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to test this 100 times to see if this is profitable. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay, so here is the result of 100 tests. Okay, it's Euro USD 1 hour chart from 2 January 2020 until 6 October 2020. And we have 60 win and 40 losses. And so it's a 1-to-1, and it's a $10,000 account, and I risk 2% per trade. So we made 5,000. So it's 50% gain on account in 100 trades. So not bad. And we have a max consecutive loss 3, and max consecutive wins 6. So 60%, not as good as my other Supertrend pullback strategy. You can check that video out if you want. But it's more than 60%, so it does have an edge. So it's not just random luck. And so I mean, you can do this 2 to 1. Maybe you will have around like 40% accuracy with 2 to 1. But maybe you made even more money. But I haven't back tested it yet. And so yeah, so this is the result and the equity curve. Okay, so it's a graph. So around this area when the market is trending, I have almost 70% win rate around here, and 69 to 70% win rate. And then the start to ranging and lose a bit of money, but we maintain 60% 60% win rate. Okay, so that's all. If you like the video, please comment down below. Just say thanks or whatever. Okay, so goodbye.